the indigenous area. How is the overall puja? There's some traditional dress also we find that what it symbolizes.
Actually, you see, every time we wait for this festival, usually what happens, previously we used to call that Durga Puja is only meant for Bengalis. But it is not like that. Everywhere in Janjati area we have found that Janjati people particularly, they are enjoying and they are also celebrating the Durga Puja. Durga Ma is not for specific this people or some group. It is for all, everywhere, not only in Tripura. In other places also we have seen that they very judiciously and very nicely they celebrate this Durga Puja. So here I have, last year also I have roamed to and fro in Janjati area. But this time also I have seen that the number of puja have been increased. That means they have some earnings. Their economical condition has been better. So that's why improved, and that's why they are celebrating the Durga Puja. I am very glad, and I have seen their face also, and we know that face is the index of mind. And from there I can get the pulse, that they are in good mind, and they are in fresh mind. So in future, what we used to say, our Honorable Prime Minister said, that we should live together. We should not be separated each other, and that I have found in Janjati area. About 14 to 15 areas I have been. I have gone there and I have talked to them. They are very happy. And being a Chief Minister, they are also very happy that Chief Minister in that manner, in this manner, never they have imagined also that Chief Ministers come. So I am not Chief Minister in that way. I am also a normal human being. So I have come here because my protocols are there, okay, no problem. But I feel really enjoy their company, and particularly the Durga Puja. I pray to God that they should stay blessed by the blessings of our Ma Durga.